In this video we are talking about if internet computer can finally explode to the upside or if we see a retracement to even lower levels. As you can see, we are in a bearish trend on the weekly time frame, but we saw an explosion right here with strong bullish momentum. And if we look at the daily chart, you can see that we had the break of structure right here, because from this high we saw this move to the downside and also saw a break of structure with a lower low right here. And with this daily body close over this last highs, we saw the break of structure to the upside on the daily time frame, and we moved into a bullish order flow on the daily time frame, which is a very bullish sign. And in the last video we were at this prices right here, and I said that we are in a bullish structure and that the chance is higher that we continue this bullish structure to the upside. I will show you now the clip from the last video. But on the daily chart we saw our first break of structure to the upside. So we are now in bullish order flow again on the daily time frame. So this is a really bullish sign. And right now I think the chances are that we go to the upside, and the next relevant supply zone is this one. And as you can see, after this video we continued the bullish structure to the upside. And as you can see, the next important area is the supply zone, because from the supply zone we saw the strong bullish move to the downside. So the chances are that we see a reaction right here. But if we are coming into the supply zone and breaking the supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then the chances high that we see even higher prices, because we are shifting bullish on the daily time frame. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like internet computer, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And as you can see on the 4-hourly chart, we can see this bullish structure with higher lows all the way and higher highs. So as long as we don't break this bullish structure to the downside, then I think the chances high that we see even higher prices. But if we're breaking this level right here with a daily or weekly body close, then the chances high that we can see even lower prices, and that then the bullish structure on the 4-hourly is shifting bearish. But right now, as you can see, we are making this bullish structure. So I think the chances high that we can continue to the upside. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back into this zone right here. And if we see a bullish reaction in this area, in this smaller demand zone, then I think the chances high that we can continue to the upside. So I would search for long entries right here. But if we're breaking this to the downside, I would be very careful. But if we're going to the downside and then to the upside again, then I think the chances high that we see even higher prices, especially if we are also taking out this high right here. But of course, there's also the possibility that we go directly to the upside. And as I said, if we are coming into the supply zone and breaking it to the upside, then I think the chances high that we can see an explosion for ICP. But if anything interesting happens for internet computer, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on internet computer. So all in all, you can see we are in a bearish structure on the weekly time frame, but we are seeing this explosion right now. And on the daily time frame, we saw our first break of structure. So we moved into bullish order flow, which is a very good sign. And then we continue right now the bullish structure to the upside. And I think the chances high that we can continue the bullish move to the upside, as long as we don't break this last lows. Because if we're breaking them, then I think the chances high that we can see even lower prices again. But if we're coming into this supply zone, then it's very important how we react right here. Because from this supply zone, we saw this move to even lower levels. So the chances high that we can see a reaction right here. But if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chances high that we can see another explosion for ICP. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would look at this demand zone right here, because from this demand zone we saw this push into new highs. So the chances there, if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, that we then can search for long entries and hodl it into the next highs. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.